I'm going to be using some rhubarb from my freezer from last summer. Since it's getting to that time, I'm going to defrost this and drain it. And I'm going to use that with, there's about 4 cups of that or so, with some strawberries from the freezer. I'm not going to drain my strawberries, but I will drain my rhubarb. Now. So it calls for 1 1/4 cups of oats, 1 1/2 cups of flour. As you can see, I'm not too worried about measurements because I'm not measuring the fruit too much. And 1 1/2 cups of sugar, brown sugar. 1 1/2 cups of brown sugar. There we go. Then some cinnamon. We like cinnamon. I'll put the recipe below, so if you want to follow the actual recipe, it'll be in the link below. And then you just mix it until it forms a crumble. Pins right in there, make sure it's nicely mixed. There's not big chunks of sugar or big chunks of just dried oats. There we go, there's the topping. Here's the rhubarb. I squeezed most of the liquid out. Now I'm putting 1 1/2 cups of sugar in there. And adding the strawberries. Just mix it all up. I'm adding 2 lemon packets. It calls for 2 teaspoons. So the lemon packets are just dehydrated lemon. And mix. Some of the strawberries are still frozen, so. And it calls for a teaspoon of vanilla. There we go. So I'm just spreading this in a lasagna pan, just because you should fill that up. Also put some cornstarch, about 3 tablespoons in here to kind of thicken up any of the juices. As you see, I measured it accurately. LOL. I almost forgot. There we go. You put the crumble. All over. Make sure every piece is covered and push it down a bit so it gets some of the juices. There we have it in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes, and then reduce the temperature to 325 degrees for another 30 minutes. And then you turn off the oven and let it just sit for about 10 minutes. So make sure that all the liquid kind of congeals and solidifies with all the crumble topping. And serve. It's great served with ice cream. It could also be served for breakfast. And there you have it, all nice and gooey, crispy yumminess. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and feel free to share it. Have a great day. Bye, friends. This is part of a collaboration with Get to the Farm, who put up a playlist for the rhubarb and strawberry recipes. Please check them out. The link is below.